In front of me is TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on System. Then select Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and finally Gboard. Lastly, after tapping on text correction, use the switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. Then go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!